Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm going to be giving you guys a fashion haul. So those of you who know me and are familiar with my channel know that I normally buy clothes online because I just find it easier, you know, it's easier to say no to items as well online, whereas I feel like in person you just want everything, and you have, well, personally I have less self-control when I'm shopping IRL, like in real life. So I went to Galway over the weekend and we went around and, you know, I did some damage, and the only thing that can justify it is I gotta come on here now and show you guys it. So I really hope you enjoyed. So I went to Tommy Hilfiger and I got a little bag. I went to Brown Thomas and I got a medium-sized bag. And I went to my mothership, which is TopMan. I got a large bag. So let's, you know, get into this. Let's open these up and have a look at what I got. So I'm gonna start off with Tommy Hilfiger. Now I love Tommy Hilfiger. Like love it. Like I love it. I just love their like aesthetic and their vibe, and I love it. So I only went into Tommy Hilfiger because I had my eye on this jacket, this beautiful jacket that I want so badly, and I was gonna buy it, but if it was in the store, and it wasn't in the store, so I was like, okay, well obviously, you know, God is telling me, James, stop spending your money, you know, go home, okay? But then this little bad boy caught my eye, and you know, I just had to try it on and get it. So ta-da! I love this. Okay, I love the navy, I love the white, I love the text that's all around the front and on the arms. It's for a casual kind of jumper. I got it in a size up, so it's a bit oversized, and like I just love this. Yeah, I'm actually obsessed. I have literally no words for it because I just love it so much. And yeah, I think this was actually a really good deal. It was only €89. So I mean, I think I got a good deal there. Considering the jacket that I'm looking at is like €200, I'm pretty happy with that, you know. Spent less than I was hoping, than I was expecting to in Tommy Hilfiger, so I'm happy. Okay, next we'll move on to the Brown Thomas bag. Now, literally, I only went into Brown Thomas because I wanted to see what it was like in there. Like, I know they have all their Christmas stuff up now, and I was expecting like this, like, you know, really magical feeling to come over me, and I just want to spend. But like, to be honest, guys, I just didn't. Like, wasn't really impressed by it. I just thought it was very like just boring. Like, it's not as exciting as, like, I don't find it as exciting as like TopMan or, you know, Tommy Hilfiger. Their clothes are a bit like more old-fashioned, like, you know, for older men. One second. So I wasn't really expecting to go buying anything, but then this caught my eye. Okay, this caught my eye. So it was over in like the back corner, and I could see like the side of it. And I was like, that looks really interesting, like what is that? So I went over and I seen this, and guess what section it was in? It was in the Levi's section. And also, you know, those of you familiar with my channel know that I love Levi's. So like, I just had to, like, if this was just one of them things like that, like, you know, I had to get. And if you see my vlog, which will be up after this one, you'll see me buying it. I was going to get this and another jumper, but then I was like, no, James, think smart, like just get this, like that's all, this is all you need. So I got this. Tarot thought it was double-sided, but like it's not, which would be like really cool if it was. Oh, could it be double? No, it couldn't be. But like it's really like thick and like has these quilted arms. It's so comfortable, like literally, like you're so toasty and warm in it. It's such amazing quality, like it's just, I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. And like it's such a unique and different looking jacket as well. Like it's not just a denim jacket, like it's denim and has that borg on the outside, whereas normally it would have like on the inside and then the borg collar. I am just obsessed. I love it so much. And then TopMan. Okay, so last time, I don't know if you see my last clothing haul or my vlog where I went to Galway. I went shopping in TopMan, I saw that time, and I seen this jacket. And I was like, I want it badly, but like I also couldn't justify it because it wasn't like cold enough really, you know, to like be thinking about jackets. So I like left it, and it was still there when I went back this time, and like I had to get it. So I picked this up. It's so warm and cozy, and you just feel like so luxurious and like bougie in it, and like, you know, I love that. Like, it's black, so it goes with everything. It has this like fur, well, it's like kind of like, it's not fur because I never wear like real animal because, you know, vegan, but I love it. Okay, so also in TopMan, you know, like when you go to the till, they have all like the accessories and like the jewelry and all that, like, you know, up close to the till. So like, you know, when you're waiting to check out, hold on a second, oh yeah, when you're waiting to check out, you're like kind of looking, you're like, do I need that? You're like, no, but then you're also like, screw it, like, let's just get it. So I got myself some chains. Like, I really love silver. Like, I'm not a big fan of gold now, on me personally. So I like silver because I think it just goes with everything. And I just think, yeah, it's like fresher. So I don't know, I just like prefer silver. But like, I got these. Like, they're not like obviously real silver. Like, they're really affordable, like cheap. But like, I got these, and they're like just like 2 chains to go like here, and just look amazing. And I also got like a ring. I'm wearing it at the minute because, you know, I love it. It's a simple silver ring as well. Maybe the reason I like silver so much is because I already have so much silver jewelry, so like it's everything that already goes with each other. Like when I try to wear gold, like I never have like gold rings or gold bracelets, so like it's just hard to like make it work all together. But yeah, I love them. It has like a little like name tag on it as well, which is really cool. I just love it. And I also got a belt just because, you know, I just needed one, and that's what I went to TopMan to get, was the belt. That's all I was supposed to be getting. But then I was like, you know, I might need a jumper, you know, for work. I got a jacket and like whatever. But speaking of jumpers, I also got this, you know, black and white kind of knitted jumper. It's so nice. Like, I mean, this was actually a really good steal. This is only €28, so like, I mean, winning. But it's nice. I got like a size bigger, so it's like a bit oversized, you know, and more casual. I'm actually wearing this tonight because I'm going for dinner. But I really like it. I just love the black and white. Like, it's just, I don't really like stripes normally on me because I feel like they just make me look huge. But I just thought, you know what, for that price, I mean, I'll make it work. Okay. Okay, guys, that is everything I got on my shopping trip. If you've seen anything here that you would like to buy yourselves, just let me know and I'll send you like a link, or you know, where I got it exactly, so you can go pick it up yourselves. And yeah, that's it for me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.